Meaning of hertz.
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 Hertz. Hertz is a measurement of frequency, which represents the number of cycles per second of a periodic signal. It is named after German physicist Heinrich Hertz and is abbreviated as Hertz. 1 Hertz corresponds to 1 cycle of a wave in 1 second, and it is commonly used to measure the frequency of various phenomena, including sound waves, radio waves, and electrical signal waves. For example, a frequency of 60 Hz means that a periodic signal completes 60 cycles in 1 second. Understanding Hertz is crucial in designing and analyzing electronic systems, communication systems, and other industries that use wave-based technology.